I have spoilers for the ULTA Back to School Beauty Service Sampler Kit. So it's available now for $24.99. It does have a value of $147 with 16 essential products to start the new school year right. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Get ready to shine brighter than ever this school year with our back to school beauty kit packed with essentials to help you look and feel your best from fresh faced mornings to late night study sessions. The kit will include Brightening Facial Scrub 1 ounce, Manila Co Clean It Zero Pore Clarifying Cleansing Balm 0.24 ounce, BeautyAmaB Moisturizing Gel Cream 0.16 ounce, Bubble Skincare Slam Dunk Hydrating Moisturizer 0.68 ounce, Cocoa Kind Probiotic Acne Serum 1 ounce, Elf Skin Sun Touchable Invisible Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 35 Sunscreen Mini 0.33 ounce, Fur KP Body Scrub 1 ounce, Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water with Hyaluronic Acid plus Aloe 3.4 ounces, Good Molecules Lightweight Daily Moisturizer 3.4 ounce, Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner 4 ounces, Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch Invisible Plus 6 count, I Do Care Hydra Vibes 10 Hyaluronic Acid Serum 0.5 ounce, Mad Hippie Vitamin C Deluxe Serum 0.5 ounce, Pacifica Glow Baby Brightening Face Wash 1.4 ounce, Peach Slices Acne Spot Dots 30 count, Tony Moly Water Ceramide Mochi Water Cream 0.5 ounce, Truly Glazed Donut Shave Oil 0.7 ounce. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.